Welcome to Prince Chakras. Today we're diving into the fascinating topic of how consciousness creates reality. To embark on this journey, let's first understand what consciousness is. It's the awareness we have of our thoughts, feelings, and external environment. A gentle whisper from the mind, a visceral feeling from the heart, or a vivid view from the eyes. Each is a manifestation of our consciousness. But it's not just a passive observer. Our consciousness actively shapes the way we perceive and interact with the world around us. It's like a painter, using broad strokes of thoughts and emotions to color our reality. This concept has intrigued philosophers, scientists, and spiritual leaders for centuries. They've all explored the nature of consciousness, trying to understand its role in shaping our reality. Consciousness, therefore, isn't just a byproduct of the brain, but an intricate part of our existence. Moving on, let's explore how our thoughts have a remarkable influence on our experiences. Picture this. Your thoughts, whether they are positive or negative, have a direct impact on your reality. Now you may be wondering, how is that even possible? The answer lies in our consciousness. Our consciousness, the awareness of our thoughts and feelings, is like a mirror, reflecting our internal world onto the external one. When we harbor positive thoughts, we attract positive outcomes. On the contrary, if we succumb to negative thinking, we may create obstacles on our path to success. Think about a time when you visualized a goal, truly believed in it, and eventually achieved it. That is the power of your thoughts at work. The connection between our thoughts and reality can be summarized in a simple phrase: as you think, so shall you be. A connection that underscores the relationship between thoughts and reality. A stunning demonstration of mind over matter is the placebo effect. This intriguing phenomenon is a testament to the power of our belief system. When a person receives a placebo, an inactive substance like a sugar pill, and believes it's a real treatment, they can experience actual improvements in their health. This isn't just a trick of the mind, it's a tangible physiological change that can be measured. The placebo effect is not about deception, but rather the power of positive expectation. Our belief in the effectiveness of a treatment triggers our body's natural healing processes. This can lead to real physiological improvements even though the treatment itself is inactive. Studies have shown that placebos can alleviate symptoms in conditions ranging from depression to Parkinson's disease, further underscoring the profound connection between our mind and body. This is a clear showcase of the incredible power of the mind in healing. In the world of quantum physics, the observer effect suggests an intertwining of consciousness with the physical world. This is no ordinary concept. It's a remarkable idea that tells us our very act of observing can potentially influence the outcome of an event. Imagine throwing a ball and just by watching it, you could change its trajectory. Sounds like magic? Well, in the quantum world, it's science. But let's delve a bit deeper. The double slit experiment, a cornerstone of quantum mechanics, has shown that particles can behave both as particles and waves. But here's the kicker. They only behave like one or the other when they are observed. It's as if these tiny particles are aware of being watched. This challenges traditional views of cause and effect, highlighting the role of consciousness. It's a mind-bending thought, isn't it? That our simple act of observing can shape the very fabric of reality. Now that's the power of consciousness. Harnessing the power of consciousness involves mindfulness, visualization, and belief in one's abilities. It's not just about understanding the concept, but actively applying it. Imagine your mind as a steering wheel. Every thought, every feeling is a turn in a certain direction. By being aware of these turns, by understanding the path our mind is taking, we can consciously guide our lives towards our desired outcomes. Think of a seed. It has the potential to grow into a beautiful plant, but it needs the right conditions. Similarly, our dreams and goals have the potential to flourish, but they need the right mental environment. Visualization techniques, positive affirmations, and mindfulness practices are the water and sunlight for your dreams. So, let's not underestimate the power of our minds. Instead, let's embrace it, nurture it, and use it to our advantage. Remember, your consciousness shapes your reality. Understanding and directing your thoughts can truly manifest the life you desire. Thank you for joining us on Prince Chakras today. Remember, your consciousness is a powerful tool that shapes your reality. By understanding and directing your thoughts, you can manifest the life you desire and contribute to a collective reality that aligns with positivity and growth. If you found this exploration of mind over matter insightful, don't forget to subscribe to the Prince Chakras channel for more content exploring consciousness, spirituality, and personal development. And until next time, thanks for watching.